Now, after the Ladki Bahin Yojana, another scheme launched by the previous Eknath Shinde-led Mahayuti Alliance government is under the lens for incurring losses to the state exchequer of Maharashtra. Stirring controversy, Maharashtra Transport Minister Pratap Sarnaik said that the state buses are suffering losses due to the discounts given to women and senior citizens, and that no new concessions will be given. He stated that the MSRTC is facing significant financial losses amounting to about 3 crore rupees daily. You heard that right, 3 crore rupees on a daily basis. Now, with the buzz that the concession for women and senior citizens will be shut in MSRTC, the Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has stepped in and clarified that none of the concessions will be stopped. He assured that these discounts will continue. Remember, the government is already facing flack from the opposition for pruning the list of the Ladki Bahin scheme beneficiaries. We're crossing over to my colleague Shweta to bring us more on this. Shweta, the Deputy Chief Minister Shinde has said that the concessions will not stop, but we're looking at a daily loss of about 3 crore rupees. How is the government going to be managing this?
Well, that's right. In fact, there are two aspects to this particular news story. Point number one, of course, how the Transport Minister, Mr. Pratap Sarnaik, has very categorically stated that the MSRTC is undergoing the losses. And to be precise, he also stated that 3 crore per day is the loss amount what they have been facing. And he also mentioned the point that how we have been giving concession to women, that's 50% concession that has been given to women while on the state transport buses. And also he stated that there are certain concession for the senior citizens as well. But he also stated the fact that this doesn't mean that the ongoing schemes like Ladki Bahin Yojana or such concession schemes would be ending. But yes, he highlighted the point that MSRTC is undergoing losses. Now, as we speak on the point number two, there was, remember, a kind of conflict, in fact, internal rift which emerged just 2 to 3 days back when we got to know that when it comes to Mr. Pratap Sarnaik, in fact, he was eyeing over to the chairperson post of MSRTC. But that couldn't take place, and eventually it was given to the IAS officer Sanjay Sethi. And here we are given to understand that it might be one of the reasons due to internal conflict also. But yes, when Mr. Pratap Sarnaik has come up with the figures and the data, he has stated that 3 crore rupees per day is the loss what the MSRTC has been facing, but also assured to the people of Maharashtra, especially the women and the senior citizens, that the kind of concession that has been ongoing, that will not stop. However, he also mentioned the point that they are trying to combat the kind of losses what are being faced by the state transport buses. And he also stated that there are preventive measures are being also taken. The feasibility studies is also being done. But here comes the highlighting point where we are given to understand that already the Mahayuti Sarkar was drawing flag when it comes to the kind of popular scheme like Ladki Bahin Yojana. And then when we speak about the Maharashtra treasure is also diminishing. So here comes the point where again we are given to understand that how there are also MSRTC undergoing losses. Remember, just few days back that was also the Contractors Association who highlighted the point that their 89 lakh crore has been pending and the government is yet to pay the amount. So clearly we are given to understand that how all these are interconnected in some way. But yes, government has again assured to the people of Maharashtra that when it comes to Ladki Bahin Yojana, some are getting disqualified, but the kind of scheme which they have run will not be discontinued. But yes, when it comes to disqualification of certain criteria, that would be taking place.
Yes. Absolutely. Shweta, do remain with us. When it comes to what's taking place here, the fact that Eknath Shinde has promised that these concessions would continue, they would not stop, is there any internal dispute going on within the Mahayuti about how to handle this?
Well, Well, that's right. In fact, of recently we have also heard about the Cold War that has emerged between Mr. Devendra Fadnavis and Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. But both the party leaders have refuted it. Their party members have refuted it. But yes, somewhere we are given to understand that there's a kind of pressure that has been mounted when it comes to the popular scheme and how they are going to manage. Remember, when it comes to finance, that entire portfolio has been handled by DCM Ajit Pawar, and he himself has addressed the issue that yes, Maharashtra's treasure is getting shortened, and it is high time where the administration has to pull up the socks and get together on the diminishing the treasure, in fact. But here, none of these leaders, in fact, from Mahayuti has come up to fore, and here they have stated that when it comes to Ladki Bahin Yojana or any other concession or any other scheme, that would be getting over. But
Absolutely.
yes,
Shweta, thank you for giving us more details about this, also letting us know what's happening politically. I do request that you remain with us, though, as you are tracking other developments for us. Now,